Data modeling is the foundation of every data analysis and creating reports and dashboards in Power BI. So welcome back to Excel Island, where we are trying to learn and master the data analytics to Microsoft Power BI over the next 100 days. And today is day 28, and we're starting a new course, which is data modeling in Power BI. And throughout this part of the course, we'll be learning how to create star schema and snowflakes data models to build absolute good reports and dashboard in Power BI. So without further ado, let's get back to learning. We have a lot to cover, and welcome to day 28.
My name is Maarten, and I'll be one of your instructors in this course on modeling data in Power BI. So, what is a data model? In short, a data model is a conceptual view of data elements. Typically, this is done in the form of a diagram. Data models include tables, columns, and relationships between tables. They can also include information on data types and keys. Data modeling is the process of creating a data model. It's a critical part of Power BI development. Incoming data usually needs some cleanup and often substantial alterations to the data to find the right insights. This includes changing columns to join together disparate tables, removing non-data rows, or comprehensive changes like pivoting tables. As a result, data modeling techniques can shrink down the amount of disk space needed to store and process data, which improves speed. Finally, data modeling makes the model easier for business users to interpret. Data modeling in Power BI is mainly handled by Power Query, the query editor for Power BI and other Microsoft products like Excel. Its main purpose is to manage the queries which drive dashboards and reports, but also to assist with data modeling. Power Query directly changes the data, such as removing columns. You define your base changes in Power Query and perform fine-tuning steps in Power BI.